All right, now the eggs go in. If you're at all worried about getting shell in your batter, crack the eggs into a bowl first, and then fish the shell out if you lose any. Oh dear God. Oh my God. You guys. Oh my God, this egg is green. Oh my God. Oh, you have no idea. Oh my God, I think... Oh, this is going to break my heart. Ah, shoot. No, I guess it's just rotten. Oh my God. Okay, it smells terrible. Oh, I thought for a minute... Imagine you know what I thought for a minute. I thought maybe I had an egg that had a chick in it, you know? Oh my God. Okay. Whew. Okay, this is the first time I've ever smelled a truly rotten egg. Oh my God. Whew, well, there's another reason to crack your eggs into something other than your main bowl. Wow, that's never happened to me before. Holy smoke.